Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll delve into two effective methods for counting cells containing specific text. Our first approach involves using a formula based on the powerful COUNTIF function, providing a quick and formulaic solution. The second method introduces the versatility of VBA code for a more dynamic and automated counting process. Let's explore the first method. Let's see the first method, where we'll employ a formula based on the COUNTIF function to count cells with specific text in Excel. Assuming that you have a big range of data, B1, B5, and you need to count cells that contain specific text, Excel. You can use a formula based on the COUNTIF function to count cells with specific text value in Excel. Like this. Type this formula into a blank cell. Equals COUNTIF, B1, B5, asterisk, Excel, asterisk. Press Enter key on your keyboard. This formula will count the number of cells in the range B1, B5 that contain Excel text string by matching the content of each cell against the pattern asterisk Excel asterisk. And the asterisk symbol is a wildcard that means matching any number of characters. Let's see the second method to explore the use of VBA code for a more dynamic and automated approach to counting cells with specific text. Press Alt plus F11 to access the Visual Basic for Applications editor. Click Insert and choose Module to create a new module. Paste the following VBA code. This VBA function takes a range and a search text as inputs and returns the count of cells containing the specified text. Save and close the editor. You can now use this function in your worksheet, entering a formula like equals count text cells, B1, B5, Excel, to get the count. This VBA method provides flexibility and automation in counting cells with specific text in Excel. Thanks for watching. If these methods added value to your Excel skills, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Stay tuned for additional tips and tricks to enhance your spreadsheet expertise. Feel free to drop your comments below if you have any questions.